Hi, my name is Jonathan Peirce. I'm a professional audio engineer and I run the PM5D users group and website at pm5d.org. The purpose of today's video is to demonstrate wireless remote control of the PM5D using a Treo650 handphone and an Apple iMac. To run the PM5D wirelessly, we've set up a VNC server on the iMac. It's a program called OSX VNC. The client is on the Palm, and it's called Palm VNC. And basically, I'm controlling the iMac on the VNC server, and that is running SM2, Studio Manager 2, which is from Yamaha, and that controls the PM5D. One of the cool things is how quick we can check different places on the screen. I'm just scrolling across. There's your redraw. You basically get about 8 faders, 8 channels on the screen at a time. There's 8 microphones right there. And it is a pretty quick redraw. What we're showing here is control of the equalizer that is on a selected channel. Using the Treo, we can grab certain spaces on the parametric and move them. And you'll see, and here, hopefully, as I move, there's not much latency. There's more latency in the redraw on the screen of the Treo than there is in the audio. Okay, right now we're going to demonstrate how we can EQ wedges from stage using the Treo wirelessly. We have one of the graphics on the 5D inserted on the monitor send, and I will control that through the Treo. So I'm grabbing, say, 400 hertz. I want to move 400. So now we're going to move 500 hertz. So we pull out a little 500. Okay, we want to pull out a little 250 and maybe 1.6 on this wedge. Very quick. I am not seeing too much latency. I don't really hear. By the time I'm speaking, I don't hear it. Great way to do it. And that's how we do monitors with the Treo.